Hi, I'm Reid Burns from N.E.T.R. Today, I want to talk to you about the financing options available for your home comfort upgrades. We understand that making home improvements can be a significant investment. That's why we offer a variety of flexible financing options to help you make your projects more affordable. These options may include 0% financing, allowing you to spread out the cost of your project over 12, 18, or 24 months. Low interest loans where you can take advantage of competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms to make your payments manageable. And special financing offers. Mass Save Heat loans are available for National Grid and Eversource customers, and they are offering $25,000 at 0% interest for up to 7 years when you make qualifying, energy-efficient upgrades to your heating system. N.E.T.R. customers who purchase qualifying Mitsubishi electric equipment can finance at a 0% APR for 24 months through Synchrony financing, subject to credit approval. And finally, N.E.T.R. has partnered with GreenSky to offer additional financing options, including no interest and low interest financing options. At N.E.T.R., we can offer you a wide range of options to suit your individual needs and budget. Our knowledgeable team can help you explore your financing options and find the best solution for you. So don't let financing get in the way of upgrading your home's heating or cooling system.